Hi, welcome to the 4th episode of Inward with Silvia. Today's mindfulness meditation is about release. Well, are you too busy to even take a little break? Today I'm going to show you how you can just take 1 minute for this simple meditation exercise to let go of stress. So are you ready to join me? Hop on the cushion now. Great, so have you found your comfortable seat and favorite cushion? Let's just do a few rounds of relaxation exercise to honor this space and the time that we have for this practice, to bring awareness to our stresses and to let them go. So just simply place your palms over your kneecaps, gently close your eyes. Let's do one long deep inhale through the nose. Ready? Breathe in deeply. And breathe out. Awesome. And just jiggle your shoulders. And just tilt your neck sideways, forwards. Rotate them clockwise, anti-clockwise. And allow your muscles to slowly soften and relax. And sink in to this present moment, this present space. So technically speaking, stress is not an emotion. It's actually an unpleasant physical reaction when we suppress all our negative emotions within us. So emotions such as anger, frustrations, sadness, they are all toxic energies. And when we don't release these toxic energies properly, they will find a space in our inner body and stay there. So, and their favorite nesting place is the lung area. So we want to always practice releasing to allow maximum capacity in our lung so that our lung can be stronger in boosting the immunity system, absorbing all the oxygen supply that we are inhaling and distributing it throughout the rest of the body so we can function well and we'll feel much more happier and blissful. So this quick 1 minute breathing meditation can help us release all these negative energies that are trapped within our lungs due to the stress that we are facing every day. And this exercise is called Viloma Breathing. Viloma basically means opposite. So what we're trying to do in this technique is we are going to interrupt the natural flow of our breaths. So instead of the usual breathe in and breathe out at one go, we're going to interrupt the breaths intermittently. So we're going to breathe in all at one go, and then we're going to breathe out 3 times. So we're going to breathe out, pause, breathe out, pause, breathe out. Okay? And once we are complete with that set, we're going to do the reverse order. So instead of inhaling all at one go, we're going to inhale in 3 blocks. So inhale, pause, inhale. And then we're going to exhale all at one go. Okay? Let's try it before we go for the actual one. So let's begin with 1 deep inhalation and we're going to exhale 3 times to complete the exhalation process. Ready? Take a deep breath in and breathe out a bit. Pause, breathe out, pause, and breathe out. Good. Was that easy? And now we're going to do the reverse. Okay? So we're going to breathe in 3 intervals. And then we are going to exhale all the way. Ready? Inhale, pause, inhale, pause, inhale. And then exhale deeply all the way. Okay? Good. So to help you bring more awareness to this Viloma or interruptive breathing, I'd like to show you a quick technique and you can let me know if you feel a difference. So we're going to actually embrace our chest this way. So both your palms are touching the sideway, probably below your armpits. Okay, so the way you are embracing or hugging your chest, allow you to have more awareness to your chest movements and the expansion of your lungs and diaphragm when you are doing the breathing exercise. Of course, you're still supposed to use the belly to breathe in and breathe out, but with this exercise you can place more awareness to the movements around your chest area, which is your lung, because all we want to do today is to let go and release all the toxic energies that we have accumulated inside us because of stress. So ready? Let's do one deep inhalation. And as you are doing this inhalation, feel how your chest is expanding and moving or pushing your elbows apart or outwards. And we are going to do the interruptive exhale 3 times. Breathe out, pause, breathe out, pause, breathe out. And as you're doing this flow, you can observe how your chest is shrinking and sinking in, and your elbows are simply relaxing and dropping down. Do you like this? Does it bring you more awareness to your breathing movements? Good. So if you are ready, we are going to do this for 1 minute. And I'd like you to fully relax, bring all your awareness to your chest, your lung area. And remember in your mind that the intention of this exercise is to release all the stresses that you're carrying within yourself. Good, so just relax again and embrace, hug your chest, gently close your eyes. Ready? Breathe in all the way, feel your chest, your lung expanding. And we're gonna exhale in 3 blocks. Breathe out, pause, breathe out, pause, breathe out. Good. And now we're gonna do the reverse. Inhale 3 blocks, breathe in, pause, breathe in, pause, breathe in all the way, fill up the capacity of your lung, and 1 deep exhale all the way, and feel how your chest is shrinking in, and as it shrinks, you're squeezing out and releasing all the stresses that you're carrying within you. Great, and now just simply place both palms together in front of your chest and bow forward, head to heart, and Namaste. Cool. So that is really 1 minute. So anytime you feel the stress level coming up, just find a quiet spot, a comfortable seat, grab your chest, tell yourself, I'm going to release them, I'm not going to hold them in me, I'm going to release them for good, and do this Viloma breathing exercise. Okay? Great. So I'll see you again in the next episode. Take good care.